Smoke tube smoke detection is a targeted DIY technique for finding hidden termite and rodent tunnels when used carefully and correctly. Smoke tube tools work by producing a steady, visible smoke that you force into cracks, gaps, wall voids, crawl spaces, attics, and other suspected channels to reveal airflow paths and openings created by pests. Choose a puffer bulb smoke tube rather than candles or open flames so you can control the volume and direction of smoke. Squeeze the bulb gently to send short bursts and avoid overpressurizing fragile gaps. Work only in well-ventilated areas and never occupy the space while generating smoke for extended periods to minimize inhalation risks and flammable vapor accumulation. Before you begin, close exterior windows and doors briefly to create a slight pressure differential that accentuates smoke movement from active tunnels toward accessible seams. Move methodically, testing every suspect gap and marking each point where smoke appears or escapes using bright tape or a small pencil mark so you can return with targeted treatments or repairs. If you observe continuous smoke emerging from a concentrated area that suggests structural tunneling or mud tubes, document the location with photos and consult a licensed pest professional for confirmation and a treatment plan. Common mistakes include using open flames or smoke sources that are difficult to control, which risks fire and hidden smoldering. Avoid that by using puffer bulbs and keeping a fire extinguisher handy. A second frequent issue is working in occupied or poorly ventilated rooms, which can expose people to particulate inhalation. Solve this by evacuating occupants, wearing a suitable particulate mask rated for smoke, and airing out the area after testing. Third, people often assume any smoke path equals active infestation when it may be normal building ventilation or gaps around surfaces. Address this by correlating smoke findings with other signs such as fresh frass, live insects, structural mud tubes for termites, or droppings and gnaw marks for rodents, and get a professional inspection if confirmation is needed. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to let contractors find more work through our listings. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share hands-on tips and field observations related to techniques like smoke tube detection.